How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be a mail call stash ad, and we're going to do an unboxing. I had a subscriber ask for an unboxing, and I'm going to do an unboxing for him. Alright, so before we get this thing started, you know what I want to do? I want to thank you, my subscriber. All my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. Thank you. If you're not a subscriber, it's free. Free. I will never ask you for a thing, guys, girls, whatever. Never. All I ask is support for fellow modelers in this YouTube community. Whether it be the model car community, whether it be the sci-fi, the military, the shipbuilders, to the RC guys, to the diecast, to the Matchbox, Hot Wheels, it don't matter. Support everybody on the YouTube community. If it wasn't for y'all, we would not have channels. We wouldn't have no content for you guys. Thank you very much. I won't never ask you for a thing. Like I said, I'm not one that's going to ask for Patreon or PayPal or anything like that. I don't need that, guys. I just need you. That's all I gotta say. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Alright, with that being said, alright, I got a mail call today from Dan the Man. Oh, turn it up, there we go. 60s Rule Channel right here, guys. This is Dan's card. He sent it to me, and your card's in the mail, buddy. This is his van. That is a, I think that's a Ford Econoline van. And if you watch his channel, he used to own that vehicle, or he made a model, a replica of it, but he actually had a vehicle like that he owned back in the day. Dan's been around for a while. You know, they're getting up there in age. Well, I am too, but no, it's better than him. Love you, Dan. And then there his motorcycle he built. And if you can see the side of that card, we're brothers from another mother, let me tell you. He loves his vintage builds, his vintage models, his box art. Yes, that's all I gotta say, yes. Here's the back of his card. He can build anything. He does trains, dioramas, airplanes, you name it. He can build it. The man's been around forever. He can do it. Thank you, Dan the Man. His description will be below in the information area, the little description down there, and I will have a link to his channel. And anybody I mention in my videos, I always leave a link. That way it's easy for y'all to find them. Go subscribe to them, give them a like, give them a share, whatever. Go over there and support them. Thank you, Dan. All right. That being said, I always tell you guys, hit your antique shops and flea markets. I get people tell me all the time, I never find nothing. I understand. There's times I don't find nothing for a long time. And there's times I go in there, y'all got, excuse me, I got an itchy throat. And I score. You just never know. But what's funny about this score is Don, over at Don's Garage, and there will be a link below to his channel. He just did an unboxing of one of his Holy Grail kits. Well, Don, I just found that. $15. Look at this. $15, Don. It's not even been built. It's open. It's not sealed. It's open. But you can see, it's never been built. Still in the box. Every part's accounted for. I done checked it out. $15. Awesome. And that's not it. The same vendor. And I know I got lots of these kits. I mean, I've got so much of this stuff. And why do I keep buying it? Why do I keep buying it? Because it's cheap. But, you know, it's a good deal. That kit right there is from, what, the 80s? Something like that, you know. Never been built. $15. You can't go to Hobby Lobby and get a kit anymore for $15. And it's hard to do even with the 40% off. I mean, it's just hard to do these days, guys. So, you know, I consider that a score, a win, whatever you want to say. And in this one here, man, I got a bunch of these. I got the reissue. I even got the original kit like this. But this one's sealed. This thing has managed to be sealed since the 70s, guys. It still has the price up here. Val Stores, which I don't know what Val Stores. I don't know. That's some kind of old store. I don't know. It could be Value, True Value. Who knows? Val Stores, what it says. It's from the 5th of 1978. The price is $2.79. $2.79. Still sealed. Tom, I don't know. That's first issue. That might be the first issue kit. Tom, Rambler 69, I'm sure you can tell me. You'd love to tell me if that's the first issue or not of that kit. But 1978 right there. 1978. $2.79. $15. That was a steal, guys. That was a steal. All right. Hit your antique markets, flea markets. Always hit them. Whether you get anything or not, one of these days you will. All right. And I have a subscriber that asked me on the last video. He loved my DeSoto being, you know, my Johan sealed kit. And, you know, I had to, what do you call it? Pop its cherry, whatever you want to call it. I deflowered it or whatever. I took that sealed kit and I put it under the knife. And he asked if I would do Ramblers or a Turbine car. Well, man, Paul, Paul Braatz, I really do believe I have done Rambler, a couple of them Ramblers. You have to go back in my videos and check. And if I haven't, I will do an unboxing for you. But I do think I've done the Ramblers if you'll go back and check. But so since I've done the Ramblers, I'm going to do a Turbine car for you. And yeah, I've already got this one open. I have 3 of these kits. This one's open. I have 2 sealed ones. I had 4, but it was Brandon at what was that, Mile High Modeler. He got one of them kits from me. And I rarely get rid of any of these Johan kits at all. But I had so many of them, and he made me a deal I couldn't refuse, so I got rid of one of them. And but I'm going to tell you what, instead of opening this, which we will open this one too, just see what color it is. And y'all try to guess what color this one is. But this one's still sealed. And I'm going to show you right here. All ends. Still sealed. It even has the, let's see, the original price of $6.75 on it. So that would probably tell me 80s, 90s, early 90s, 80s, somewhere. I'm not for sure, guys. But it's still sealed. So let's turn this thing around here. And let's put that thing under the knife and show you what's going on. Alright. Let's give this thing an unboxing here. Here is the first kit. We'll save this one for after we open this one right here. Because that one's already open. Let's deflower this kit right here. Let me show you again. Of course, y'all know. It's sealed. Let's do it. Oh, I just dropped my knife and almost stabbed my foot, guys. That wouldn't have been good. Let's unbox this sucker. Here, this wrapping ain't no good. I'm gonna... Ooh, right there. That just hurt somebody. Matt, we love you. I hope you didn't die. Oh, guys. Hope I didn't kill a collector again. Look there. Oh, the original price tag is going off of it right now. Oh, look at that. All right, guys. Hope y'all guessed what color it is, because let's find out. Ooh, it is virgin white. Look at that. Virgin white. Look at that chrome. Oh my God, that chrome is so sparkly. Oh, guys. Oh my God. Let's move that thing out of the way here. Let's check out the instructions on this. That's hard to believe that thing was molded in white. Here's your number 1 instruction. That is to build your turbine engine. Number 2 is front and rear suspension. Wheels and tires. Number 3 is your interior, which would be your center console, your trunk with the batteries, be your seats. That shows how the turbine engine works right there. Let's turn this bad boy over. You got the body. It shows the, it shows the body and the glass or the glazing. The trunk lid, whatever, shows putting the engine, chassis, suspension. And you even got to glue the fenders on this one. It has opening doors, hood, and trunk. My God, that is such a detailed kit. Let's throw that out of the way. Let y'all see how that was packed in there. Oh my God. That is how it is packed in there. All right. Here's your glass. Actually looks pretty good. Let's get this first tree out here. This is the back side of it. Let's go to the front side of it. You got your fenders, your doors, your door inserts. That'll be your chassis pan. Be your fuel cell, I guess. It'll be your dash. I guess that's exhaust. That's parts of your seats, seat parts. Let y'all see all those good little goodies there. Let's move that over to the side. Then your body, let's save that for last. Let's save that for last. Here are your red lenses, tail lights. Now check this out. This has got a lot of flash on it. It's got more flash than flash dancing. Y'all remember that from the 80s? There's your engine. Look at all the flash on that engine. Hell yeah. Flash me, baby. Flash me. That is your hood. Your exhaust. The turbine engine. Look at that thing. I guess those will go to your wheel backs or wheel inserts or something. Parts of the seats, the rear seat, console stuff. That would be your spare tire cover. Oh, uh-oh. Y'all know what that is. Oh, tire burn right there on the deck lid, guys. Oh my God. Get them dreaded tires out of there. Gosh dang. Look at that. Guys, this is why you unbox your kits. Oh my God. There's your suspension, your chassis parts. Oh, boy, it makes me sick. There's your trunk lid insert. Oh, the trunk lid. Oh, look at that. That's going to take some work to get that out. Oh, guys. It didn't run it, but man, that sucks. there you go, guys. Nope, I forgot the body. Look at there. Look how beautiful, detailed that body is. Vinyl top, opening doors. The fenders aren't even on this thing. You got to put the fenders on it. Oh my God, guys. It don't get no better than that. That has to be probably Johan's best offering, in my opinion, of the most detailed kit ever for Johan. Oh my God. Let's put that thing back in its box the way it come. Let's see here. See if we can get this thing back in here the way it was. Don't know if it'll happen. You know, you got to get these things back in exactly the way they were put in there. Oh, I think I got it. Now then, I'm going to wait, but we got to get that glass and them tires bagged up before I put that back together. Let's open this one up. I can't remember what color this was. Oh, it's molded in white also, so there ain't no sense of showing y'all that one. All right, Paul, I hope you enjoyed that. Hope you guys enjoyed this. And make that to be an example. This is exactly why you unbox your kits. Never leave them sealed. These dreaded tires, they're a menace. All right, guys, love you. Please like, share, and subscribe, and check out everybody I mentioned. Thank you. Bye.